Halo, salam jumpa. Saat ini Anda sedang menyaksikan Asia Calling yang menyajikan cerita-cerita di sekitar Asia. Dalam Asia Calling kali ini, memberdayakan pekerja rumah tangga lewat fotografi dan kontroversi sunat perempuan di Malaysia. Anda bersama saya Lita Rinanti dalam Asia Calling, your window on Asia. Pekerja rumah tangga atau PRT migran di Hong Kong tidak dianggap sebagai bagian dari masyarakat utama. Sebuah keputusan pengadilan belum lama ini bahkan menghalangi mereka untuk mendapatkan izin tinggal permanen, tidak peduli berapa lama mereka telah tinggal di sana. Ini memotivasi para penggiat sosial muda dari Hong Kong untuk memulai organisasi nirlaba untuk memberdayakan PRT ini lewat fotografi. Orang-orang di balik ide ini belum lama ini menghadiri konferensi pemuda di Australia dan di sanalah mereka bertemu reporter kami, Samantha Yap.
Bonnie Chiu yang berusia 20 tahun adalah mahasiswa ilmu bisnis global di Universitas Hong Kong, China. Dengan latar belakang internasional ini, dia sangat tertarik dengan pembangunan global di Asia Tenggara.
My primary goal is really to bring the voices of developing countries into the whole development agenda. Well, I come from Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a rich city, but we are surrounded by developing countries basically.
Secara khusus, Bonnie prihatin terhadap bagaimana perlakuan terhadap para pekerja rumah tangga asing di Hong Kong. Ada sekira 300.000 pekerja migran di Hong Kong. Sebagian besar berasal dari Indonesia dan Filipina.
Half of the foreign domestic workers in Hong Kong, they come from Indonesia. And these Indonesian women are excluded from the mainstream Chinese community and also from their families back home. So we see that this group of people really needs to be empowered and their voices need to be heard in Hong Kong.
Bonnie mendirikan Lensasional dengan tujuan memberdayakan perempuan lewat fotografi. Inspirasi di balik Lensasional berasal dari seorang pekerja rumah tangga saudaranya.
She writes poetry in Bahasa Indonesia and she sends it back to some publishers back in Indonesia, and they will publish her stories of her life in Hong Kong. So I was really inspired because I think this is the power of art. You know, art and literature, how you can express your emotions, and I think her story just is really inspiring because her story is just one of the many stories of, I believe, the Indonesian maids in Hong Kong, because they really need a channel to express their emotions, to overcome the social isolation.
Bonnie yakin kalau fotografi bisa menjadi saluran.
We don't believe that photography is a luxury. We think it's a really powerful tool to empower women because they can express their emotions through taking photographs.
Ia menemukan kekuatan fotografi saat ia berkunjung ke Istanbul, Turki.
There were 4 Turkish girls who came up to me and asked me if they could take a look at my camera. They found it really interesting that they love photography, but they never really have exposure to like a professional camera. So they were just curious, how really can we use this camera?
Lewat Lensasional, Bonnie berencana membuat program untuk mengajarkan fotografi pada pekerja rumah tangga. Lalu dengan foto-foto hasil jepretan mereka mengadakan pameran publik di mana cerita mereka akan dibagikan secara luas kepada masyarakat di Hong Kong. Michael Ng, 19 tahun, juga berkuliah di bisnis global di Universitas Hong Kong, China. Ia membantu Bonnie dengan usaha sosialnya ini.
They're not just like robots working in your family. They are human beings with their life, with their emotion, with their values. And I believe that if we give a chance for them to take photography and we show these photography along with their stories to the general public, we can build a bridge between the people in Hong Kong and also these kind of socially secluded women, and then so that the mutual understanding could exist.
Dari pameran ini, mereka akan bisa mengumpulkan uang untuk membantu para PRT itu. Michael merasa perlu segera dilakukan penyadaran soal masalah ini.
It's said that in recent months and recent years, like some employers may be exploiting the domestic helpers, or may not give a good living environment for these domestic helpers. So I think it's important. Our project has this value, and it's very important to start in Hong Kong like right away.
Di konferensi itu, mereka menerima hibah hampir 30 juta rupiah. Dengan uang itu, mereka berharap dapat memperluas Lensasional ke Indonesia tahun depan.
We think Indonesia is such an important place because it's such a rising economy and it's a Muslim country. And maybe sometimes when it comes to Islam, women seem to have less role to play in the economic side because they usually have to stay home to take care of the children.
Bonnie berharap bisa terus memperluas usaha sosialnya ini ke berbagai negara untuk memberi dampak pada masyarakat yang lebih luas.
Wherever the need for women empowerment exists, we believe that's wherever we'll be.
Dari Melbourne, Samantha Yap melaporkan untuk Asia Calling.